This is the Durston X-Mid 2-person solid tent. Had it shipped from the States. Cost $339, which is £273.50, and $137 extra import tax. The beauty of this is that you're able to use your own trekking poles to put it up. I've wanted one since like forever. Let's get this bad boy set up. So let's have a look inside. This is what you get. There we go. There's the X-Mid. This bag is not a toy. The X-Mid 2, as you can see, that's the entire tent, like, which is, it's crazy small. I don't think it comes with tent pegs. It's not heavy enough. I think it's literally just the tent and you provide your own pegs. So I've just got an assorted bag of my own pegs that I normally use. Okay, so you've got, oh, it does come with pegs. That's a nice surprise. They're decent pegs, actually. They're so lightweight. Really nice stakes. 4 slightly longer ones and 4 shorter ones. This is the first time I put up this tent, so obviously I'm probably going to fumble around whilst I'm doing it. So that's the inner, that's separate to the outer, so I guess I'll put that aside. The solid version is a 4-season tent. This is the outer, which is insanely light. The material just feels like there's barely anything there. Okay, where's the front? I should have probably watched a video on how to do it. Maybe you do the inner first. So I'm going to inner first. Bring it over here a bit. I have no idea. Oh, I've wrecked it. Pouring with sweat. It's quite warm today. I literally have no idea how to put this tent up. I didn't watch any videos on how to do it. I didn't read any instructions. I mean, what's this for? Move inner. Of course you pitch the outer first because you don't want to get the inner wet. Just make as best a rectangle as you can make by pegging out one of the corners. Put that there. What was that? I think it's the top bit goes in there, like that. Just extend the trekking pole. That's pretty solid. We've got this little eyelet, and then you extend it. Both trekking poles are holding the tent. So just extend this a little bit, make it a little bit higher. I wasn't expecting it to be quite this big. You need a larger pitch now. It's nice and spacious. Here is we've got these like little clips at the top. I assume you just clip those in, and then I assume then you just attach each corner to one of these rings here. Here we go. There's one done, and the other one. Brilliant. Then you've got this long cord here with the clip that I assume you put on, you clip it here. It's not easy. It's really fiddly, and this thing flapping in my face. There we go. Another thing to note is that you have these sort of like these rings here. You can wrap these around your hiking poles and then extend that again up like so. And then you've got this bit here that you can just wrap, and then this. It's a magnet. Oh, it's magnetic. Isn't that cool? It's up. Let's look inside. It's very roomy. Wow. That's cool. Close it up. Masses of headroom for me. It's not quite a rectangle. Crazy amount of room in here. Really big. I'm loving it. So it's so nice and bright in here as well, and just incredible. Like how small a package. You don't have to bring extra poles. You've got really lightweight pegs. Absolutely huge in here. I have to admit, I'm really not that keen on just a tie thingy. Hang on, let's do that. You just ravel it up like this. I don't know, why couldn't they have done the same magnets thing? I don't know. It's gonna be, can you imagine if you've just got into your tent and you want to tie that up? Although actually you only have to tie it like that, that's actually fine. The amount of headroom is insane. So if you sleep in this, you lie down and it's just like, woohoo! It's like a palace in here. You could so easily fit 2 people in here. Maybe even 3 at a squeeze, because if we take a look at the vestibule, insane amounts of space to just put your bag and then do your cooking or whatever here. And that's just on one side. If I go onto the other side as well, again, on both sides. So you've got one side over there, massive vestibule. The other side on there, massive vestibule. So for a 2-person tent, you're both spoiled for space. What else? Zips work really well. Nice and zippy. you've got 2 pockets. One there and one on the opposite side. Be honest, they're not very big pockets. That could be better. So you can also pull this out for ventilation as well. A little bit of a gap to let the air in, prevent condensation. So the zips are quite nice. You can probably see they've got this sort of like a seal at the top. So as you're going down, you've got a nice waterproof seal there. Nice smooth action. Nice, easy to operate zips. Plenty of headroom, like nice and bright inside. Oh yeah, one thing as well, you've got little places you can hang a light easily. So there's one in each corner. So if you've got 2 lights, you can do that, or you can put fairy lights up, or whatever you want. You can tell this is really high quality fabric. Just a nice place to be, actually. I'm actually really excited to take this out and do a camp with it. And yeah, the whole thing is just insanely light. It's certainly going to bring my pack weight down. Packs down to barely anything. Really, really pleased with it. Yeah, it's massive. Absolutely massive in here. It's huge. So big. Look, you could have a party in here. Put my phone in the pocket. Ah, time for bed. Oh. So what do I think of this tent? The material is really high quality. I would be very comfortable knowing that it wouldn't get wet in the night. None of the inner touches the outer, which is really surprising. Maybe it would if there was quite a significant amount of rain, I'm not really sure. But this material, you can just tell, is really good. I'll put the model of the tent maybe there or there. I'm really looking forward to spend a night in this. Not tonight, I don't think, though. I like my own bed, I have to admit. I'd rather sleep in my own bed than in the garden. But yeah. Oh, whoops. Okay. Well, didn't expect that to happen. If you like this video, please give it a like and a subscribe. Really appreciate it. And until next time, hopefully on a hike and a camp with this tent, I'll say goodbye. So, assalamu alaikum.